Hey guys, it's Jamie here from 3D Scan Store. In this workflow video, I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to use our multi-expression base mesh. So basically, the quickest way to do this to get access to these expressions on your model is to simply sculpt using our base mesh. The actual base mesh itself, it's the same one that we use for everything on our store. It's the same one we use for all our HD displacement maps, so it's compatible with all of our store objects, or heads, sorry. And it comes with a lot of different expressions, as you can see here. Another handy little thing that we provided that will help you to make this as accurate as possible is a guide map. So in the expressions folder, there's a folder called guide, and you just want to load this guide texture. And all that shows is basically the areas that will deform. So you can kind of see here, this is where the nasal labial fold is here, and the tops of the lips and the chin and the eye, the eyelid fold. So just whenever you're sculpting your character, just keep those in mind. You don't have to have this enabled all the time. I mean, it's just good to have it there just when you're sort of blocking out, the sort of features of the face. So here's a quick video of me doing this. And I should point out that I am cheating a lot here. This is just a scan, but I'm actually just sort of using the morph brush to morph with a square brush on it. So it looks like I'm sculpting, but I'm definitely not. So once you finish sculpting, you should end up with your character sculpted onto our base mesh. And hopefully you'll have done it in a way that all the landmarks line up with the sculpting guide. So now you've got access to all of these expressions. So you can sort of pull them around and create your own expressions, sort of, add a bit of character to your model. So yeah, you can just sort of do whatever you like. And one thing I really want to sort of stress about this set of expressions is they are not facts. They're not for riggers. It's not something that you could create a realistic rig from. It's just a way to create or add expression to a character. So I'm sure you could maybe create some sort of rig from this, but it's not what I intended it for. So in the next video, I will show you how to isolate certain expressions and sort of mix and match between expressions. So you can have one eye open and one eye closed, for example, or a smile on one side of the face and a frown on the other. So you can really go to town and make an expressive character. Okay, so that's the quickest and simplest way to do it.